So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel PMS Testing Laboratory. So today in this video we are going to see how to calculate the density of raw material. So let's get started. So this is our weighing balance with the least count of 0.1 milligram. Now to calculate density we have to remove this pan. Then we have to place this assembly. Then place the stand. And now place this hanging pan. First we have to place beaker. So here I have filled the N-butyl acetate in this beaker because the material we are going to test, it is made up of LLDPE and which has a density less than 1. So we have to use N-butyl acetate to calculate its density. This stand. Now to calculate density automatic in this weighing balance, we have to make some settings. First, click on menu button. Then click on function. Then again click on menu button. Now, here we have to enter the density of liquid that we are using. So here we are using N-butyl acetate. Its density is 0.88. Here you can see 0.88. So that density here I have entered. To change the digits, you just press and hold the menu button. So likewise, the values will get changed. And to save these values, again you have to set the function button. Now see, it has come air. So we have to take weight of this sample in air. To do that, here, just place this sample over this pan. So here weight has come, that is 1.420. For manual calculation, here I am writing the weight 1.4208. Now to save this value, again you have to press function key. Now here you can see the Li, that is the symbol of liquid. We have to calculate weight in liquid. For that, just dip this sample, place this sample in this pan like this and slowly dip it in the liquid. Now here you can see the weight in liquid is around 0.0651. Now to save this value, again we have to enter function key. I'll just note down the value 0.66. Here you can see 0.662 and enter function key. So here the value of density has come automatically, which is 0.924. So this is the value of density of the material that we have tested. Thank you. So let's see the manual calculation of density. Here I have taken W1, that is the weight in air, which has come 1.4208. W2, that is weight in water, which is 0.668. W3, that is density of liquid, which is 0.881, as we have already seen. Now the formula is density equals to weight in air divided by weight in air minus weight in liquid into density of liquid. So here W1 divided by W1 minus W2 into W3. If we put all these values, then the final value of density which has come is 0.924 gram per cm cube. So this is how you can also calculate the manual density of this raw material. Thank you.